Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna look into the web challenge booking. Explore the cars world with booking.com. This challenge doesn't have a source code, it's by FlagYard. I can leave the link of it in the description so you can check it out. We start our instance, then we get our URL, and all we see is this. We have premium vehicle rentals where we can book vehicles and choose a premium fleet for some reason, and easy management and this stuff. We also have a registration and a login functionality. So let's go and try to register an account. My full name is Test and my email is test@test.com. My number is anything. My password is test. Confirm is test. Okay, and we have premium benefits for some reason. Maybe we need to get a premium account. Okay, so let's just save our info so we can get back later to it. Sorry, this is from another CTF. Test. Okay, let's create an account right now. No, what's password must be at least 6 characters. So test 1 2 3 would be good. Yes, right. Let's save it right here. And also you can see demo accounts right here. I tried them and they are like normal accounts. We can use them instead of our account, but it is what it is. We're gonna use this test account. Let's go test and test 1 2 3. They're all the same, so it wouldn't matter. Now that we created an account, we have stuff to do. We have browse cars, manage booking, and our dashboard. Okay, so let's check all of them out. We can get some vehicles right here. We have view details. Let's say I want to get this pickup date. My pickup date is this. My drop off date is this. Okay, booking confirmed. We can view in dashboard or view in details. Let's check both. Okay, we have a confirmed order with this ID. This is the money we're gonna pay. Of course, I'm not gonna pay anything because I don't want to. And this is the thing. This is all of this. Okay. When first trying to solve this challenge, I started like doing some SQL injection right here, some command injection, tried to do some XSS right here, but then I thought there's no admin bot, what can I use the XSS for? There's nothing I can use it for. Also there's the sprint details, but it just does nothing. Don't worry about it. And when I went to dashboard, I saw account settings and password reset helper. When you are in a CTF and you see a password reset, you know that this could be vulnerable, because why add it? It's just a CTF. You don't have to reset your account's password. Step 1, you request a reset token. Step 2, you reset your password with the token from before. But this is CTF, you can't get emails. So let's fire up Burp. Sorry. Let me intercept the request for reset token. Okay, and let's go here. You can send this and it says password reset link sent to your email, right? So since the password reset link was sent to my email, I can't get stuff right here. So I tried to use my own email address, but it didn't work. I didn't get any password reset token. So then I thought it could be like a rabbit hole. It could be not working. But after a little bit of digging, I found the reset token right here. Turns out when you log out and you try to log in again, let's just log in with our account, open my interceptor, and you intercept the response. You see all of this data about your account. You can see success equals true, ID, email, password, but it's hashed, so, and you need to log in to get it, so it's nothing. But if you look down there, you can see the reset token right here. Okay, and you'll notice that the reset token, you might notice that it is a little bit like looks like something randomly generated, but it's hex characters. But it looks like something, I'm not gonna say it yet because we're gonna need to discover it eventually, but let's try to go and test it. Okay, wait, let me send this. And then go to my dashboard. Let's try to reset our password. Password reset, add my reset token, and add my new password as test. Okay. Okay, so we send this to repeater, and we send the request. It is invalid or expired token. This because we used it in here. Yeah, it counted. Password reset successful. Okay, this means that we reset our password to test, and let's try to request another reset token before we log out. Then we log out and log in again. Why? To see if our password change really worked. Let's change this to test, and let's intercept our request. Sign in, and intercept the response. It worked, and we have a new reset token. Okay, okay. We have now these two reset tokens. Let's put them above each other like this. As you can see right here, you can see that this whole sequence isn't like changing or something. Let's say I wanna add some dashes right here, or let's not. And this C also didn't change, but it's changed from 7 to 8. So let's say if we create another reset token, this C8 will be C9. Okay, okay, so keep this in mind. But if you go here, you see this didn't change, this didn't change, but these did change. Okay, so this seemed a bit weird to me. I mean, I can brute force it, but I don't know what the admin email is. I tried admin at booking.com, I tried admin at ctf.local, I tried a lot of stuff, but nothing worked. So I eventually went to ChatGPT to ask it about something. So let's go here and add these two reset tokens. Where or what software generated these tokens? This will be helpful if ChatGPT could get it from the first time, but it took me like a while to know when I was trying to solve it. Decoding MongoDB object IDs. Okay, this means that they are object IDs from MongoDB. These can be reversed, actually, or not reversed. These can be guessed. You can guess the new token, what would it be? But now we know that this is MongoDB. If you search about MongoDB, you're gonna see that it's a NoSQL database. This means that we're gonna have to do NoSQL injection if to get like an admin email or something, right? Okay, so I did this. I tried to find what endpoint can I use to do a NoSQL injection, and I found this. one. This one worked. And wanna know why? For example, if we have this email test@test.com, we know that it exists, and it sends a response password reset link to send to your email. But what if we try test some random stuff at test.com? It should tell us user doesn't exist, and yeah, it does. This means that if we can get this email to be something right or something true, it will return this, and if it's wrong, it will return this. So how can we do this in NoSQL injection? Well, there's something called regex, NoSQL injection regex. We can use this regex to return our email or our administrator email. Let's try to see stuff from here. ID user found. Oh, this to password.match this, but it's not gonna be used like this. I remember it. I searched for it until I found it. Let's search here for the regex. Regex, yes. How can we use it? Don't you tell me, please. Okay, we're gonna try to use it. Let's just check one more time here for regex, and let's go down here. Oh yeah, regex. This we can use something like this, And let's copy this. Let's just copy this. Instead of an email, let's add our regex. This regex checks from the start, and anything this regex matches something from the database, which is the email in this case, and it checks from the start. So let's say we want to see if an email starts with a letter A, and there is a letter B. There is BE, for example. There is not. This confirms that we have an NoSQL injection vulnerability. So let's try, because I got an email that's starting with an A, and it wasn't the right one. So this sucked. But let's try to fuzz for an admin account. Everything with a status code of 200 is correct, and 404 not correct. So let's see, we have A, B, D, F, G, and all of this. We have the weird 4 character. I thought when I was solving it, I first got an account starts with an ED, AD. It was Adel or Adel, but it wasn't an admin account, and I spent like an hour trying to solve from there, but I couldn't. The real admin account started with a 4, which is like the administrator thing. So let's start an attack, and we see this 4D, and then you go 4DM, and then you go I, or it was like 1, and then yeah, you try to brute force every character, one character by one character, to get the email, until you're gonna find the email is eventually. This is the administrator account, administrator@booking.flagyard.com. But there is another problem. Now we have the administrator account. I tried NoSQL injection in the login process, but it didn't work. So I went to the repeater and checked all of the requests. I can send a password reset email for the admin account, but there would be a whole problem. I can't get this token. I need to predict it or guess it. But how would I do this? I will need to brute force. These 4 characters usually change, or these also can change depending on the time. These also changed. 6 characters to brute force is a lot. Okay, it's a lot because it's not even like local. It's on a CTF server, so it will take some time. And then let's first try to send an email address to check if the account is correct. It is correct. Since this is correct, and we already sent an email, the password reset link, or the password reset token, I noticed that it didn't work or it didn't change until you have chosen to reset your password with the first reset token. So you have one reset token, you can't create another. And let's say, okay, Mongo DB object IDs guessing. Let's see this. We can guess it. I found something. I found this. Sorry for opening Android Studio by mistake. I found this script. The script allowed me to guess the first 8 characters, which change, but these characters don't, and then I only have to brute force 2 characters are hex, and they are hex. So this gives us like 16 times 16, which is 256 possible tokens to brute force. Now that another instance was created, we have this account, which we're gonna try to, okay. First, we need to get a reset token to compare it to the admin's reset token and change the first 8 characters of it. And this script will give us the first 8 characters, which will be correct. And let's say we have this test at example.com, and then this is the administrator's account. We got it right here. So let's get first the reset token here, which will be, we can get it from burp, go burp, and let's try to put our email in here, which is test, it's test at example.com. Do we need to be, no, password reset link to your account. This is great. Now we reset our administrator's password. Password reset link sent to your account or your email. Let's go here and let's try to get the request. This yeah, we have test@example.com and password 123. Let's open and intercept this and get our reset token, which is this. Great, very great. Since we now have this token, we can oh yeah, let's get the time. I forgot. Let's get the timing of the server, which is this, to generate the first 8 characters, which we will put here. And let's generate, these are the first 8 characters. So let's copy this and put it here. And let's get this 68EB73EA. These are 8 characters, yeah. And the admin's reset token will look something like this. Of course, these characters will change. It could be 41, it could be 42. So let's try them out. And let's go here. And let's add the token, and the new password will be test. Let's add this 42. Will it work? Invalid token, 41. Password reset successful. Of course, you can brute force this if the server doesn't have like instances and someone is trying to reset their password. So it will change. But now we have password reset successful. You can brute force this using an intruder or a simple Python script. It's fine. It's okay. Use whatever you like. And then we can log out and log in. Let's add the admin's account. Where was it? This, and add our password, which is test. Login successful. Great. Welcome, senior. And this is our account. You'll notice that there is a cancelled right here thing. I don't know how it got cancelled, but if we go to the proxy and HTTP proxy, let's go down there. The post request to the API/login and check our data. We can see here that there is a flag. And this is the flag Y, and random hex characters. It was a really good challenge. I learned from it. I didn't know that object IDs of MongoDB was like predictable. I did not know that. So I learned something. I hope you did too. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, before we go, tell me if you want the next video to be a CTF or explaining some kind of vulnerability or anything. And if you made it to this end of this video, because some people like open the video and then quit for watching anything. If you made it, please let me know, and let me know what I can do to make my videos better so people don't quit watching it.